Thank you. Snap's redesign flopped and stocks plummeting. And a new beer is out that toasts one of the founding fathers. Jane King has these stories and so much more. It's today's Business Report.
Snapchat's redesign clearly needs another redesign. Backlash over the current version has investors spooked. Just months after defending the separation of friend and publisher content on the Snapchat app, the CEO says they're rethinking that strategy. Snap's revenue for the first quarter came in below expectations, and its daily user count also was disappointing. While the FDA is warning on nicotine packaging that can appeal to kids, the agency says it can lead to poisoning if children mistakenly drink the liquids which are intended for use with e-cigarettes and vaping devices. Some of the packages targeted by regulators look like fruit juices, warhead candies, and Nilla wafers. The FDA collaborated on the action with the Federal Trade Commission, which polices deceptive advertising. Well, the world's largest liquor maker said it's launching a version of Ketel One vodka with 30% alcohol by volume. The new drink, Ketel One Botanical, doesn't meet the definition of vodka under U.S. and European regulations, which mandate that neutral distilled spirits be bottled at 40% alcohol by volume and flavored ones at 37.5%, according to the Wall Street Journal. And on to beer. Budweiser has released a new beer based on the handwritten recipe of George Washington from 1757. It's called the Freedom Reserve Red Lager. The limited edition beer will be brewed by Budweiser's own veterans, whose signatures will be displayed prominently on each of the vintage bottles and cans. From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jane King with your business update.
Jane King, thanks so much. Let's take a look and see how noon stocks are performing. Dow Jones Industrial just can't catch a break. It's down 54 points right now to sit at 24,045. NASDAQ Composite also down 7 points right now to 71.23. A new analysis shows women may soon be setting down their wine glasses and switching to a new replacement. More people are expected to set down those wine glasses and switch to cannabis as more states make it legal. It's according to a new analysis by Rabobank. The analysis suggests more women will consume marijuana as a replacement for wine to relax, nixing the extra calories of alcohol consumption. San Jose, California, and Seattle, Washington top the list of cities where millennials are finding it tough to buy a home. It's according to a recent report by Realtor.com. Rising real estate prices, low inventory, and heightened demand are combining to account for the home buying crunch. Well, most infants exposed to hepatitis C in the womb are not screened for the virus. Hep C infections among pregnant women have soared in recent years, mostly due to the opioid epidemic. Despite the increase, a new study found only 30% of exposed infants were screened after birth. That means many infected children may go undiagnosed until they show symptoms. And another new study reveals synthetic opioids are now linked to more drug overdoses in the U.S. than prescription painkillers. Government researchers tracked death certificate data over a 6-year period. They found synthetic opioids like fentanyl were involved in 45% of opioid-related deaths in 2016. That's up from 14% in 2010. Chris?
A lot of people talking about